Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to play media from your USB flash drive on your Samsung The Frame TV. So first of all, before even adding media to your USB flash drive on your computer, make sure that it's formatted to either exFAT if it's over 32 gigabytes of storage, and if it's lower than 32 gigabytes of storage, I recommend using FAT32 formatting type. Well, now, if this doesn't tell you anything, simply right-click your USB flash drive in this PC directory or from the sidebar and select Format. And now what we have to do is expand the list next to File System option and select exFAT or FAT32. Then just you can select hit the checkbox next to Quick Format and click Start and OK. And all data will be deleted from your USB flash drive. That's why we are doing this before uploading any media to the USB flash drive. So be aware of it. Tap OK. And once the USB flash drive is formatted, let's go grab our media file. Let's cut it out of this directory and let's paste it into the USB flash drive. Okay, and now we just have to safely eject the USB flash drive from the computer, and we can insert it into the TV. Okay, and so right now what we have to do is grab our USB flash drive and plug it into the USB port on the Samsung One Connect box. So here we can see two USB ports. You can insert your USB flash drive into any of them. And once you insert it, your TV should recognize your USB flash drive. Now I have, my flash drive is kind of specific. It has two storage systems in it. So you can select any of them and it will read from this specific storage. And if you, by accident, if you selected the wrong one, you can press the home button on your remote and the left button to go to the sidebar, then navigate to connected devices. And then here you'll be able to see both of these card readers and select the one that's right for you. So yeah, I accidentally chose the wrong one. So now to play the media, just select the media you want to play and press OK on it, and then the media will start playing on your device. And yeah, this is the tutorial from our channel. So yeah, right now you can watch the tutorials from our channel while watching this tutorial. So that's basically it. Now whenever you want to stop watching your media and use your USB flash drive for any other purpose, simply remove it from your TV, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.